What is up, everybody? It's GB here, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy step to make $200 for free. All you have to do is download the new Google Play app. This is basically, just like Google Play, but it's now a new app they released called gpay. It's the same as it was for Google Play, but this one has way better options. You can get like cashback on certain stuff, rewards and stuff. But best of all, you get $21 for free for every 10 person you invite with your referral code. So it's very easy, and I'm going to show you what you can do. So right here when it says get 21 for free, all you have to do is basically, okay, so once you invite your friend and send them their referral link, they will be sent to the actual Google Play store and or app store, whatever it is, and you will have to download the app. And once you do download the app, you set up the with your information and all that. You add a card in there so you can transfer the money out and send them money. Because what we're gonna do is once you have your friend right here, and let's say what you want to do is you want to open up a message with your friend. Then you want to say just hello, or you don't have to say hello, but you just send them for example, right here it says pay them $1. And once you send them $1, it's gonna say you paid $1, and on the bottom it says you earned a reward. So you click on the reward, and right here on this page it's gonna show you basically saying that, oh, you have like this little icon, and tap on that icon, and once you tap on that icon you're gonna get your free money. So I already done this twice with two of my friends. So you can see I got 21 twice because I can do it up to 10 times. That's $210 there for free. And best of all is when you do that, you actually get this unlocked too. You get up to $5 cash back. So each 3 purchase you do, basically paying your friend counts as a purchase. So you're going to get up to $5 in cash back too for 3 qualifying purchases. So let's say that you pay 3 of your friends, you're going to get that $5 for free. So you're getting a $5 bonus. So you can do this up to 10 times, $210 for free. It's simple, quick, and easy. And once you got that, all you have to do is click on your money in Google Pay and just transfer it out and put it into your bank account. That's all you have to do. So yeah, guys, it's very easy and simple. So yeah, I recommend doing this as soon as possible because you have till the 31st of December to do this, I believe. If we look right here. So expires January 1st, 2021. So do this as fast as you guys can because this is an amazing app, and it already has like up to 100 million downloads on Google. So I'll put my referral link down below in the description. You guys can use that to get your $21 in free. And right here, you have more options. You can get cashbacks on purchases from like Aeropostale, H&M, Forever 21, Levi's, and Banana Republic, and so on. So you can get a lot of money back for using this app and paying online through the app with your card connected to it. So yeah guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy way to get $200 for free. Make sure you like and subscribe and keep the notification bell on for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.